Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 16. It is from section 1.1 of College Algebra 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we need to simplify the given expression, and we will need to follow the order of operations. We have a subtraction, a division, and we have exponent. So we will need to handle the exponent first. So we will have 9 minus 18 divided by, and now 3 squared is 9. Now we have a subtraction and a division. Division wins, so we will do that first. So we have 9 minus, and now 18 divided by 9 is 2. And now we just need to do 9 minus 2, and that is 7, and 7 is our final answer. I hope you found that helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.